Hey YouTube, M&J's Landscaping here. Today I'm going to give you a full in-depth tour and review of a 2008 Cub Cadet LT 1042. This mower offers a Smart Jet deck washing system. Some warning labels there. Some attachments that can come with it. Warning labels, danger, series, it's a 1000 series. It shows you how to go forward and backward and all that. Stuff like that there. Brake, cruise control. There's a choke right here. Pull it out. Then you can push it back in. It's on turtle. Move it up to bunny. I forget what the top speed is. Steering wheel's rubber. Plastic right here. Rubber right here. Nice padded seat. Gas tank. Holds, I think, 3.5 gallons. Cup holder right there. Six different deck heights. You have low, which is basically 1. You have 2, 3, 4, 5, and high, which is 6. This you have to pull up a little bit, pull like that. You can go to 2. You can go to 3. Now it's on 5. You can raise it all the way back up to 6. It's really nice. I love this mower. It's a really nice mower. Wait just 1 minute. Sorry. Something's stuck over here. Okay, there we go. I have a chain to pull something with. I left it on my mower because it has a hole for trailer usage. Has a outgoing slot for grass right there. Danger, keep your hands out. Has stuff all right there. It usually has a mulching thing right there, but I took it off for some strange reason. You got the headlights there. 1 headlight. 2 headlights. Tuck it down the side. Air vents. Another air vent. Got the battery right there. Kohler Courage 19 motor. The oil dipstick. Things like there. You got the dashboard right there. See that? As I said before, you got the brake right here. The brake is the release. To put the brake on, you put your thumb right there, just rest it right there. Well, start pushing down. Push the brake, push down hard until it goes, so when you push the brake in, push it in, put pressure on the brake, and release it, and the brakes There we go. It's still like that, but the brake is on. Put it in cruise control. You just have to go and just push that thing, push the cruise control button down. And it will lock into cruise control right there. Got Cub Cadet right there. This is what the key looks like. Got a little bit of rust right there. Does not say Cub Cadet on it. Let's see how she starts up. Key holes right there. Dashboard comes on. See that? Push that all the way up. Or halfway. Pull the choke out. Make sure the brake is in. Just start it up. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to put the camera down real quick, guys. Gotta start it up. Now when you start it up, when it starts to start up, you have to push the choke in as you're starting it up. So the choke can be in. So then it definitely will start up. To make it go, you press the brake in. Mine doesn't have a very good back, so I have to go like that. Forward and backwards. To put cruise control on, you cannot use cruise control when it's in backwards mode. Only when you're going forward. So I'm going forward, press that down. My foot's off the gas, and I'm in cruise control now.